નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી welcomes you all here. Let's move ahead with the achievement of Bismillah Khan. When India gained independence on 15th of August in 1947, it means here we are talking about 1947. Bismillah Khan became the first Indian to greet the nation with his Shehnai. At that time, he was the first Indian who welcomed with his Shehnai. He played his Shehnai on the same morning and greeted the entire nation, India. He poured his heart out into Rag Kafi from the Red Fort to an audience which included Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. What he played on the first early morning of 1947, 15th of August. He played Rag Kafi from Lal Killa, Red Fort, in front of the audience. Who were there in audience? Our first Prime Minister Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was also there. And then afterwards, later on, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru gave his famous Tryst with Destiny speech. Tryst with Destiny speech from the same Red Fort after Shehnai of Bismillah Khan. You see, this is the achievement of Bismillah Khan. Entire paragraph is achievement. Even here also, earlier what we saw for the radio station Lucknow, that is also his achievement. That is the matter of 1938. This is the matter of 1947. This is his two great achievements in life. Now we are moving ahead. Bismillah Khan has given many memorable performances both in India as well as in abroad. He was used to give his performance in India also, as well as in abroad also. His first trip abroad was to Afghanistan. Good question, short question. His first abroad visit was to Afghanistan, where King Zahir Shah was so taken in by means who pleased a lot by the maestro. This is his Afghanistan visit, first visit abroad is explained here. You see here, the king of Afghanistan, Zahir Shah, was attracted, was fascinated, was enchanted with the performance of Bismillah Khan. Earlier also I told, maestro is the word used for an expert performer in the music field. That he gifted him priceless Persian, you will pay attention about the spelling, Persian carpets. This is throughout the world famous, Persian carpets and other sovereigns. Means what you give for your best memory, that is known as souvenirs. The king of Afghanistan is equal to Zahir Shah. was not the only one to be fascinated with Bismillah Khan's music performance. Even film director Vijay Bhatt was also so impressed after hearing Bismillah Khan's Shehnai at a festival, and that he named a film after the instrument called Gunj Uthi Shehnai. This is Hindi film, and this Hindi film entirely is with the sound of Shehnai in background also, in songs also. The sound of music is constantly played over there, and that is the real gain, memorable incident of Bismillah Khan. In this way, you see here, first of all, Lucknow radio station in 1938, next to that 15th of August 1947, and here the film Gunj Uthi Shehnai. These three are the memorable achievement for India also and for Bismillah Khan also. Here what he got and how he pleased the king of Afghanistan, Zahir Shah, that is given over there. This is the achievement of Bismillah Khan in his life. And this film was a hit film, and one of Bismillah Khan's compositions. This I will, if it is possible, I will send it to you. This is the composition of Bismillah Khan. Composition એટલે શું? આ આખું ગીત જે છે એનું બેકગ્રાઉન્ડ મ્યુઝિક અને એનું જે આખું ટ્યુનિંગ જે છે એ બિસ્મિલ્લા ખાને બનાવ્યું છે. એના વર્ડિંગ્સ જે છે એ શું છે? દિલ કા ખિલોના હાય ટૂટ ગયા, दिल का खिलौना हाय टूट गया, कोई लुटेरा के लूट गया, दिल का खिलौना हाय टूट गया. This is the song of that film that is tuned out to be a nationwide, and that is also a chart buster. Chart buster means throughout the nation it was played, and it was a successful song during that time. Despite all these things, this huge success in celluloid world. Celluloid word means old-fashioned film. When you are concerning at the time, this phrase is used in the celluloid world. Bismillah Khan's ventures in film music were limited to two only: Vijay Bhatt's Gunj Uthi Shehnai and Vikram Srinivas's Kannada venture. Kannada film was there, and that is Sanidhi Apanna. This is Gunj Uthi Shehnai. This is the first film in Hindi, and next to that one is a Kannada film, and that is Sanidhi Apanna. Another word is used here, venture. Venture is equal to his adventure, his hard effort. What he told for this: I just can't come to terms with the artificiality and glamour of the film world. He says emphasis with enough stress. He told, I cannot work here artificially, because you know it well, real life and real life both are different, and film is a real life, it's not real life. And so that he told that artificiality is nowhere else possible in my life, and so that I cannot work with glamour and glory of the film, that he told for this. In this way, what is his life and what he can do in the film industry, that is given over here. And how he performed for Hindi film and Kannada film, that we have completed here. What's there in the next lecture, we will move ahead about Bismillah Khan. Okay. Thank you. Thanks a lot for joining us.